And then small apartments, that's, they've got some really, really attractive new lending programs for fourplexes now, like a 3% down. It's very, very low down payments. If you ever thought about renting one or owning one and living in one of the four doors, some people are beyond that stage in their life. I know I would not live in a fourplex with three of my tenants around me, but there's plenty of people. There was a day where I would have done that. That would have been a rare, awesome find. So if you're at that level, it's a really, really, and even if you're not going to live there, even if it's just an investment property, still able to get that loan program. Still, if one tenant is not there, maybe even two, you can still be profitable while the other two are in there. The challenge is finding those. Right now, it's all about the bird dog. It's all about the person that's out there pounding the ground hard enough and often enough to find those deals, creating relationship with brokers and making sure that you've got a pulse on the multiple listing service. So when the moment that things are listed, and maybe sometimes even before they're listed, because you've got relationships with brokers and they give you what's called a pocket listing and notify you of something before it hits the MLS. That is a wonderful, wonderful thing. And I think small apartments, which is where we started, is a very, very viable option.